When paired with your compatible smartphone, select Garmin Smartwatches feature voice functionality that lets you conveniently make and take phone calls from your wrist. You can even use your smartphone's voice assistant for more hands-free capabilities. Keep in mind, while the basic steps and functions will be the same, your experience may vary slightly based upon what type of compatible smartphone you have. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone. When you receive a call, simply select the phone icon to accept it. To make a phone call from your wrist, press the Start-Stop button. This will bring up the Apps and Activities menu. Press the Down button to locate the phone icon. Press the Start-Stop button to select it. You'll see a dial pad that you can use to manually dial a number. You'll also see a list of recent calls that were received or made from the watch. Calls made solely on your smartphone will not show up here. Select the Contacts list. Here, you can browse the contacts you've synced to your watch. You can also add contacts straight from your compatible smartphone. Note, someone who's on your smartphone's contact list will also need to be added as a contact in the Garmin Connect app. See the on-screen link for help adding up to 50 contacts to your watch. Tap on a name to open the contact. Then, tap on a specific number to dial it. During the phone call, audio will come from the speaker on the smartwatch. If your watch is paired with your wireless headphones, the call will not come through them unless the headphones are also paired with your smartphone and you accept the call from the headphones. From the call screen, you can swipe up to bring up additional options. This includes volume controls, returning the call to your smartphone, the ability to add another call, or bring up the dial pad. While mid-call, if you would like to pass the call to your smartphone, simply tap the icon that shows an arrow pointing to a smartphone. When you're finished, swipe down to return to the call screen. Then select the red phone icon at the top of the call screen to end the call. Additionally, you can use the default voice assistant on your compatible smartphone through your watch. This allows Siri, Google Assistant, or Bixby to send text, control your compatible smart home devices, and more. To use the voice assistant, press and hold the light button on your smartwatch to open the controls menu. Locate Phone Assistant and press the Start-Stop button to select it. Here, you can see a list of examples that, depending on the capabilities and configuration of your smartphone, your watch can trigger using your smartphone's voice assistant. This is handy when your smartphone is in a gym bag or pack and you need to prompt your smartphone's assistant. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and select Next. You'll hear your assistant's familiar tone, and the watch will vibrate to tell you that your voice assistant is listening. When you ask to send a text, you can prompt the assistant to help you dictate a message. Asking your assistant to open the garage door will request your smart home device to open your garage. Although you can talk to your smartphone's voice assistant from your watch will not be able to display any text or visual responses. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help using your voice features, please visit support.garmin.com.